Order filled.
Good morning, Christine. Everything sound okay? My putting in my new CPU messed my whole computer up again.
Order filled. Order filled.
Another buy. Oh,
Order
on
filled.
a 30-second chart. I gotta be careful. I still think it goes up though.
Daddy, chill.
So, Iranian officials studying abandoning uranium enriched as a U.S. condition for ending the war. I'm only trading just one. I don't want that. One eval right now. See how the market goes. I almost had this one pass too. I'll put my other ones on in a minute. I gotta see how it feels. Am I ready? Ready for what? And I gotta watch my temperature on my computer. Anyone know how do I like on kick? Huh? Good morning, outsider. What's up? What's up, Mr. Bassett? I feel like my volume's a little low. So when you change your CPU, everything just messes up.
Daddy, chill.
So like I don't want that. I need. Let's try that.
Daddy, chill.
And nothing.
Daddy, chill.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei! Okay.
If the music's too loud, let me know. Hey, this might come down. I'm gonna
Order filled.
reverse it.
Order filled. Order filled.
I think I need $800. So there is a bully block here. If it breaks that, we should come down at least to 269s. I mean, if it's the big one, we're probably going to come down to like 227, so we'll have to judge it. Right now, safe bet 281s. It could continue up, though, because that breaking news of Iranian officials are studying abandoning uranium enriched as a U.S. condition for ending the war. So it's like a 50-50 right now. It is starting to break down. Yeah, I was asking if trade debate was down before. I was just testing it out and it wasn't closing my order. I was like, holy shit. I have to watch my computer temp because I don't know what it's called. Fuck. Downloaded it yesterday, but dun, 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 dun. Is the volume too high, guys? I have to switch everything again, man. Every time you change your CPU, it messes up all your drivers. It's pretty annoying. No lag, exactly. But my cooler is my old cooler, so I have to watch the temperature. I downloaded this thing, and now I can't remember what the hell it's called. We shouldn't have any more I got like a beast of a CPU. A beast CPU, and I go to put in the CPU cooler, which is like a big fan, but this one I got was like
They say money
it looked
can't
like
buy
an
happiness. Look at
engine.
the fucking smile on my face.
For some reason, it didn't fit. I researched it and it just did not fit, so I had to order another one. That's it. H-Win. Okay. So we gotta make sure that we watch this. Oh, where is it?
Order filled.
All right, there's our first one. Who in the right mind does trading in 2026? I don't know. People that make money, I guess. Set it in a bucket of dry ice. What the? You gangster as shit, bro. Okay, so we're in the area that it can reverse. I'm thinking it wants to come down further, though. Let's look at the 5-minute. Tell you that my indicators are lagging. I don't like that. Take me in the arms. Hopefully this week is different and it actually starts hitting like some real numbers. It can come back up to our mark here at 306. What's it called? H-Winfo64.
So seeing from a Reuters reporter on X here, just confirming that the US Strait of Hormuz blockade has started as of the top of the hour. That was around 15 minutes ago. So again, this was expected. We've had it on the calendar. Just confirmation that it has now gone ahead.
Whoa. There you go, Daddy.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my face.
Ooh, thank you, Mr. Daly. Meow. Meow. I have to get my temperature thing up because if I burn this CPU, I'm going to cry. I don't think they'll give me my money back. Because this CPU was pretty expensive. It seems like it's cool enough. I took off the back panel of my PC just for... I don't know, to keep it cooler. I'm gonna move this for 2 seconds. Found it. Come on, it should be good. Oh man, this thing is dumping. Let's see if we drag it down a little bit. Fuck it. I mean, fudge it. Dude, what the fuck? I think we're good right now. It's at 70 degrees. 70 Celsius, sorry. Could bleed to 225s. We could actually go to like 183s. if we want to hold this a little more, we can. Let's do 1. How about that? You guys been having this issue? Like, I want to change it. I go to press save, and it says please confirm, and it won't let you confirm it. CPU 69 degrees. We doing good here. Okay. All right, this is what I was worried about. Took it to 30-second. Dude, my shit is like lagging still though, the indicator wise. Okay, I won't like it. Okay, we're gonna close this. Any further, closing right up here. Come on, trading view. Go a little bit faster. Okay, actually, it might be good. Well, if it starts going up past this 292s, then we're definitely should get out. Fair value gap. Bully block. Let's see what happens. Dude, the chart is not loading quick. It's pissing me off. Why is profitable so boring compared to trading? What? The heck did you just say? Oh shit, 394s. It might not hit this. If it hits this area and rejects, then I would short again of 283s. I changed the way my Discord looks? What do you mean? Does it look messed up? Ah. I didn't mean that actually. My bad. Yeah, I left it on something else. I gotta change it.
Stop filled.
Oh my god. Launched up. No good no more. No good. Yeah, I gotta change that, guys. I'm sorry. I think I did the OBS. So I did that to try to keep my CPU down. I'll try OBS for now. This should be a pretty easy fix. Does not like the color, huh? All right, we got another short here. I don't know if I trust it, though. I think we should hold off on this, see if it comes up to 300s. I know it did, but... Damn! There it goes. Damn it. I should have just did it.
So Trump posting now on Truth Social, saying
Order
Iran's
filled.
navy is laying at
Order
the bottom of
filled.
the sea, completely obliterated.
What did he say? See, like
In
this
this
is messing
post,
me
he
up.
says, if any of
Can't
these
hear it.
ships come anywhere close to our blockade, they will immediately be eliminated using the same system of kill that we're using against drug dealers on boats at the sea. Bit
I
of
don't know what he
strength in
said.
WTI crude there as Trump again is just touting the blockade on the Strait of Hormuz, saying that any ships that come close to the blockade will be eliminated.
All right, I think I can fix Discord. Discord screen can turn off for a minute. Actually, I can just change it. Yo, my girl. Dude, this thing would launch up right there. Should be full screen now, Discord. I don't know why it's doing that weird light. I know, yogurt. Are we gonna do this again, guys? Are we gonna think we're gonna go a certain way and then just? I'm in shorts, but Trump just tweeted, so just be careful. You're my diamond girl. I really think it's a tactic, yogurt. I'm starting to think it's a tactic. My CPU is still at 70. So we're okay. Tap that screen. Tap that screen. Let me get 10 likes each. 10 likes each. Keep me out of TikTok jail. So this is what he said. Yeah, this is what's I'm a little nervous of. So just be careful. Iran's navy is laying at the bottom of the sea, completely obliterated. 158 ships. Wow, that's a lot of ships, guys. What we have not hit are their small number of what they call fast attack ships, because we did not consider them much of a threat. Warning, if any of these ships come anywhere close to our blockade, they will be immediately eliminated using the same system of kill that we use against the drug dealers on the boats at sea. It is quick and brutal. P.S. 98.2% of drugs coming into the U.S. by ocean or sea have stopped. Thank you for... Dude, drugs have reduced tremendously. Tremendously. Or at least fentanyl has. Oh, thank you, Mallory. We should be okay for the short, but who knows? Yeah, it's kind of rejecting. You're right. It's kind of using this like a springboard too. Let's see how it reacts here. Mr. Tweak. Uh-oh. I think I'm going to close this.
Order
This is
filled.
too scary. It's too scary. I know I gave back 80 bucks. It just, this can go really any way. No, I closed it. I closed it. If anything, I'm thinking long. Wow, really, JB? Trying to be patient here. Okay, we're at least another area where we, if it does reject, we can short. But we gotta wait. Problem is we have bully blocks everywhere here now. It's deciding. Off order block. I don't know if this is a regular order block here for you guys. This is my criteria. It's a little bit of a twist. Okay, so we got a short here. Bearish engulfing candle. I kind of want to see if it comes up just a little bit, then we can short. I don't want to get a bad fill, you know, and it pulls back up, and then we're just like kind of hurting a little bit. Come on, go up a little further. Okay, I feel a little better
Order
about
filled.
that entry. We should. Let's go to 30-second charts. I don't know why, but the indicators are taking a long time to load. Minimally 278s.
Chinese
Should go to
state media reports
271s.
that China's foreign minister held a call with their Pakistan counterpart.
What's up, Pet? It's a little hard when Trump's tweeting.
China's foreign minister says the current ceasefire is very fragile.
Why is that so low? Bothering me. Go in one more, I think. Looks a
Order
little
filled.
short. It's not upwards going. It's kind of rejecting again. I say 50%. We good. We Gucci. You like longs? Try it. I think it needs to pull back a little bit to like 250s again, so we can get some rejections. Barbie Radio, what the hell? This is freestyle, bro. Is it too loud for you guys? I gotta adjust everything again. It's pretty annoying. If it can break this, it's gonna come down further.
Order filled.
Russia's
Route
crude
2.
exports from the top Black Sea port remain limited.
We got 2 more left.
So crude exports from Russia's biggest Black Sea port are still limited, with its 2 largest berths yet to resume loadings after Ukrainian drone attacks last week.
Sounds like it's underwater.
Daddy, chill.
Right off the 50, so be careful. The 50% pullback. Gracias. Yeah, pullback here, up, down. Very nice, very nice. Almost 78. It was in the golden pocket. We need this to rip down. This one can come down further, but I don't know how you guys feel about that. Ooh. Yeah. Computer's still staying at 70 degrees. The reason why I'm watching temperature is because my CPU fan did not fit. So I have my old one on. I think it's supposed to be below 70. Like for like the smoothest interaction. It's at 70.2 Celsius. Man, this thing's annoying. Hot.
UK's PM Starmer says Iran's behavior in the Hormuz is causing an untold economic damage.
It's a 50%. At least it hit the 50 this time, right? It wasn't like 47%.
UK's PM Starmer says, I'm working around the clock on a credible plan to reopen the Strait of Hormuz. And UK's PM Starmer says, I will work with the French president to convene an international conference on the Strait of Hormuz.
It's very
UK's
undecided.
PM Starmer on the summit with the French president says it's going to focus on diplomacy and military planning.
Why aren't you louder? All my life. Maverick says, collecting souls and taking names. Exactly. Uh-oh. You can like slightly hear the music on YouTube. Bro, why the hell did that random ass post I did get 2,000 views? That's pretty funny.
So Goldman Sachs shares are pairing their decline to 2.4%. They had been down as much as 4.7%. Their earnings call is underway.
Mic check. Mic check. Mic check. So it's still weird. I gotta fix it. Yeah, my bad on YT. I was trying to fix. I changed my CPU, so it messed everything up. Oh, this is my jam too. This is very undecided, guys. Very undecided. I'm not really too trustworthy of it going. I'm just gonna take it a little bit early. See if it goes to 61. It's been slowly grinding. Now this is probably the 78%. Yep, 78%. It's a little bit lower. The 50%'s been touching though and hitting. I love TikTok. That hurt my shoulder. Ah! What broker does Lucid connect to? You got Tradeovate, Motive Wave, Trade C. There's probably another one. Ninja Trader. I use Tradeovate and then connect it to my trading view. See how much CPU is being used. I'm only using 37%
Iran and Omani
CPU.
foreign ministers discuss US talks in a phone call.
This was 95% before what I was doing. Holy shit. What was that? Wow, what a big difference. Now I just need the cooler and we Gucci, baby. Even though it's still staying really low. Wow, this thing is so annoying.
Oil exports via Novorossiysk are to stay partly shut for a couple of weeks after the recent drone attack, according to sources. So Russia's Rosneft diverts oil to nearby Tuapse refinery from Novorossiysk in April.
I'm going to add a little bit into this.
Iran's Foreign Minister Aragchi now says Washington kept changing its demands during the negotiation, which caused the failure to reach an agreement.
Yeah, it got a little choppy, Mallory. Damn, why the fuck is this going up? I guess they're talking. Iran and Oman's foreign minister discussed U.S. talks on phone call. I thought there is no leader. might have to close it. Fuck. I mean, it's rejecting the area again. I feel like we should have a slight pullback. I don't want to go in too heavy.
Order filled.
We're going to go in 6. I'm under no stress. I'm still up almost 500. So if I lose this, you know, puts you back in the 3s. Okay, pretty big rejection there again. '61's literally 309s. Yeah. I rejected such a bitch, bro. Yikes. Careful. I don't know what the hell this is doing. I mean, it's overbought on the 5. Next step is 375s if it does continue, though.
So Al-Haddad citing Iran's Foreign Minister Aragchi to the French Foreign Minister, saying that we have made progress in the negotiation process with Washington on several issues.
Okay, be careful. It's like grindage news coming out. I think I might close this. I'm gonna close it.
Order
It got a little difficult
Order
lately.
filled.
I'm gonna try too long, for long.
Order filled.
Got a little difficult lately, but there's like slightly good news keeps popping out. I know it's a little difficult to trade right now, so I'm assuming it wants up here 273s. Make sure you accept your losses. Sucks, but it is what it is.
Order filled.
We should come up to the next extension up here, which is the 123s. Oh, hell yeah, Mallory. It definitely does. This is when there's news, it's time to soul collect. That's what the banks do. Easily going up now, so just be careful. I think it hits 72, 71s. And technically, it should hit 75s. Exactly. Everything's about money to them. Price, baby. $380s. What's your level at, Daily? Mine is seeing around like the 373s. Might come back and then rip up. Sucks, but we gotta hold it. This is pretty annoying. My goodness. Yellow oversold, so maybe overbought. Dude, what the fuck? Fucking myself here. Maverick, yeah, I can't get a good read right now, so just be careful, guys. There's that 5. I'm going one more
Order
then.
filled.
Take some out as it comes down. $11. It could have been that too, an algo. It was exactly 11. Oh yeah, yo, I've been getting abused. Well, I do really good, and then there's this one trade that wipes me out usually. You guys saw last week. I was up like what? Each day I was up at least 7,000 to 9,000, and then I'd wipe it all in one trade. Let's see if it bounces. But in the past, what? 15, 20 minutes, I'm starting to get back a lot of money. $500, man. Yogurt, don't remind me of the good old times. It's sad. When we were doing Soul Collectors. Mr. Bully, haven't seen you on in a while. I've been on every day almost. Handy Andy. It's more like I haven't seen you on in a while. Yeah, I know. So, like, right now, Mallory, you'd probably be thinking to close it. Now watch, it's going to rip up. It's going to rip up. All right, I'm going to add one more.
Order filled.
See if this bounces. If not, we're screwed. And then we might chill for a bit. I am going to get off at like 11:15 just for like an hour or two. I need to work out. I do some activities. I will be on after that, though. It's got to hold, or else it's going to be a doomsday. Can't catch a break, boys and girls. Close below. I watch it rip up. I'd rather take out a poop load, though, in the green. I got on a little bit late today. I had some issues with my computer again, so we're working on it. We're getting better and better, though. The computer's getting better and better. This is just disgusting price action. What is this? We do have a soul collector in the 5-minute. Dude, I can't help to think that we are going up higher. Let's look at this 5. Yeah, we should go
So we're
up
just
higher.
seeing a post on X from the New York Post reporter who is responsible for putting out the earlier headline, Iranian officials are studying abandoning uranium enrichment as a U.S. condition for ending the war. So the New York Post reporter on X, to quote, says, "This took off unnecessarily, and now I have the responsibility to clarify. All I meant was, one, the proposal centered on Iran giving up its nuclear program, that we knew from Vice President Vance on Sunday, and two, it's still a possibility that Iran could accept that point. None of this is new, which is why I haven't published anything on it." So again, the New York Post reporter on X essentially just saying the earlier post was nothing new.
That's because they don't want to get sued. I think Trump's done with this stuff, too, with that. He's not saying the stuff, and they're posting it. All right, Handy Andy. Have a good one, bro. Dude, what the? The manipulation begins again, boys and girls. I'm glad I'm not trading a lot of accounts right now. This is why I'm only doing the one. Damn, my shoulder. I think this bounces, but you know, who knows? 5-minute cloud, the cookie loves to bounce off the cookie. Now where my dog's balking at? There it goes. See, crazy.
Order filled.
There we go.
Order filled.
Damn, this thing is keep fucking rejecting here.
Order filled.
Whatever. Guys, I'm gonna hop off for a bit. I'll be on in like an hour and a half. It's nice out, the weather. So I'm gonna go do something real quick. Plus, it's really choppy. So I'll let you guys know on Discord. Talk to you
Seen
guys
from
in
the
a
Wall
bit.
Street Journal, the US blockade of Iran is officially underway. So the US blockade has officially gone into effect, and there are more than 15 US warships in place to support the operation, according to a senior US official. So the US has an aircraft carrier, multiple guided missile destroyers, and an amphibious assault ship, as well as several other warships in the Middle East, according to the Navy Central Command officials. So these ships have the ability to launch helicopters and support
I'll be
boarding
on a little bit,
operations,
boys.
and some are capable of marshalling commercial vessels to specific areas